Alright, here's what we have here is a couple of signal cannons. This one here is an 8 gauge and it fires an 8 gauge cartridge. And so anyway, that goes in there. Pull that down, pull it back, cock it, pull the thing. And this is 8 gauge. It's a strong signal cannon. I think it's got an 18-inch barrel. This one here fires a 2.5 gauge 1.6 inch diameter cartridge, and it's a breech loader made by the Strong Cannon Company. And pull that down, pull this back, pull the cord, and fires it. So this one came with several adapters. I can shoot a 8 gauge by using this adapter. I can shoot a 10 gauge or a 12 gauge. And it's got a 2.5 gauge original cartridge with it. So the wheels on the back I made, these are the original front wheels. And there it is, a Strong signal cannon, 2.5 gauge. Got a mahogany carriage. Looks like this one been in a little bit of a fire. Got all original brass. Two original wheels, and the other wheels I made out of the ironwood. And this one is all completely original, and they got an elevation screw on them. And so there it is. I'm going to do some close-ups here. Give you an idea what the breech looks like. Fairly nice. Looks like the barrels, everything on these are cast, and the breech apparently was cast separately and machined, and then the place for the breech to the thing to go is hey, there's the sign on it. It tells that it's a Strong cannon. And this is the ejector. Really nice. There's the cartridge, reloadable cartridge. I think the cartridge and the adapters were made by that Cannon Mania company. I think it was up in Georgia or somewhere. So there we are. There's the little wheels I made. The original wheels were made, I guess, on a hand grain. These are what they are. There's the original Lignum Vitae wheels. I had the 8 gauge, and I was at the Cool Spring Engine Show in Pennsylvania, and a couple guys come by and said they had one a little bigger than mine, so we made a deal, and I guess they were from down around Pittsburgh. So this is the ejector on the little 8 gauge one, which seems little now, and it's got some stainless steel cartridges. You just put a shotgun primer in there and reload them. I made the cartridge for it. And then I've got a 10 gauge sleeve adapter that I can shoot 10 gauge in it, which you can readily buy. But you can see it's made exactly the same way. And there it is. This cannon here, the big one, apparently had been left out in the rain quite a while, and the bolts that went through there rusted and split the wood in there, and so I made new bolts and redid all that. And And this barrel was painted black, and I got most of the paint off. It looked like it had been sitting outside because it was very difficult to get the paint off the top. Looked like it had been baked on, but like I say, this thing's probably been in a little bit of a fire, and but it's got some good patina to it, good antique look. So anyway, thanks for watching. This is Rogers Freestyle Machine Shop. Remember, you're better off to do it poorly than not at all. Thanks for watching.